here we are at the exit to Lidl's, and we have a fantastic pile of second-hand books. Look how nice that is. Not brilliant condition, but considering I'll use it for junk journaling, I think that's coming home with me. Oh my word, look at this. You know who that is on the front? That story is about the Tailor of Gloucester. I think that better come home with me as well. Oh, look at this. The world of the Wombles. Well, as far as second-hand books are concerned, because I'm inclined to hoard a bit, I let myself have only 2. So I think I'm going to have these. And it says that the donation is £1 per book. So I think that is the bargain of the day.